what is happening in our education system, it was designed for industrial era. So created standardized workers for predictable career paths. So rigid schedules, rote memorization, conformity were key factors in that education system. The jobs they are preparing may or may not exist. So what you study in the college, for that subject, whether you do the job in the same subject or some other subject, you do not know. So that is what is happening. So in today's fast changing world, this model simply doesn't work. If we don't overhaul this model, probably we may have to face some problems in future. So what is the solution? Need fundamental shift in how we approach the learning process. So what is required? The learning process should have certain components. It needs to change. It should have adaptability, lifelong learning approach. It should promote critical thinking and problem solving skills. It should also provide creativity and innovation. The creative component of the learner should be nurtured and supported, and it should also help people how to work in a team collaboratively, and digital literacy is very much required. And also it should focus on personalized learning, project based learning, lifelong learning ecosystem is also important. So if the project based learning is not there, they will become mostly theoretical study it becomes. So in addition to lab based learning, we should also provide project based learning opportunity for students. So make learning practical, relevant and hands on. So lifelong learning ecosystem. Learning does not stop after graduation. People should continue to learn throughout their life. Then only they will succeed.